Hey guys, good morning all. Am I audible guys? Hey guys, hey Manish, good morning. How are you Manish? Am I audible guys? Hello Sasikala, good morning. Hello guys. All right. Hello, hi Manish. I'm good. How about you Manish? Hello Gayatri, good morning. Good to see you. Hello Tanmay. Hello Krutanjali. Are you guys audible? Am I audible guys? How many have joined? We are close to 10 people right now. That's good. We are not even started. Couple of minutes into it. All right. Okay. All right. Yes, Manish. Manish, are you first timer? Hey guys, why don't you type which place you belong to, just to get an idea. Just type which place you belong to. All right. Hello Balakrishna, Yoga. Hello Salindra, good morning. Hello Anjali, hi, good morning. Anjali has joined for UAE. Anjali, what is the time there? I guess it may be too early. You are 2.5 hours behind, I guess, Anjali, if I'm not wrong. Hey guys, type which place you belong to. We have a couple of people joining still. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. 5:30, oh my god. Quite early. Hello Sunitra, good morning. Alright, I remember UK is 2.5 hours behind. So UAE is somewhere 1.5 hours maybe. In between UAE and India. I mean UK and India. Alright. So guys, we also are live on Instagram first time. So I hope all of you are also on Instagram. In case you don't know the Instagram handle, I'll just send you the link. We also are on Instagram and also live on Facebook. Please let me know. Some of you are already on Instagram. Please let me know if you are able to hear me. Hello Sudha, good morning. Hello Jyoti, good morning. Hello Sunetra, you're also on Instagram. That's good. We have a couple of guys joining Insta also. Awesome. Alright. So guys, just a couple of questions. What time you guys woke up first of all? Anjali, I know 5:30. How about others? I mean, you might have woken earlier. What time you guys woke up? Quick. What time you guys woke up? Please type. Is it 5:30, 4:30, 2:30? 6 a.m. That's awesome. 6 a.m. is quite early. All right. So how many also have an Instagram handle? How many of you have an Instagram handle? You can follow our page. We're also live right now on Facebook and Instagram, both are packed together. How many have an Instagram handle? Please type. There is some delay in the messages. I see there is some delay is there. All right. Okay. 4:30 woke up. That's quite early, man. 4:30. We're still in the dreamy world. I think many of us are in a dreamy world at 4:30, 5:30, 6:30. Somebody feels that, okay, we need to wake up. So that's funny, that's really crazy thing. That's crazy about all of us. In fact, nowadays the weather is so good, so nice weather. It's so difficult to wake up. I mean, it's raining, the winter is approaching. All of you know that October to December is a peak time when you see the winters in India especially. And we have started feeling those vibes. It's all cool all around. It's raining. And many times, you don't feel, you feel like going out, you can't go out because of this COVID thing. But yeah, it's a great climate, great time, and it's in between seasons, so enjoying a lot. Okay, so guys, today we're going to have a ball of a time. How many have done any kind of, okay, I know that all of you might have done some kind of chest and warm, workout. So let's talk about something. Today we're going to have a chest and triceps. How many have a bench? You have a bench ready? Anybody? Chair or bench, something you have? I just want to see if you have is good, otherwise you're good to go. We can still do with the ground itself, on the floor. Anybody have a chair here? Anybody has a bench? I mean, it's not mandatory, but it's good to have. Some of the workout might involve it. Okay, someone has joined in Insta. Sunetra also has joined in Insta. Lakshmi has woken up 5 o'clock. That's great. While others are joining, yeah, so let's discuss. Anybody has a chair or bench? All of you have or you don't have? Chair anybody has along with you right now, around you? You can do some of the workouts around. Hi, hello, Gopamudra, good morning. Alright, so while you guys type, let's discuss about some of the warm-up exercise. Then we'll do some main exercise, then we'll cool down. So warm-up, there will be 4 exercises we'll do for around, 30 seconds. Then we'll move to the main exercise. We'll do 30 seconds on and probably 30 seconds off. And we'll do cool down. Okay, I hope all of you are ready. Let's now talk about some of the warm-up exercises which will do it. Yes, we can use. That's great. Because some of the tricep exercise will be more effective on chair or bench maybe. If you don't have, it's okay still. I can show you the ground part and also the chair if you have. Okay, so let's start with some of the basic exercise. So while you guys are joining, let me explain you first. The new people, first timers, let me explain you first what we'll do is we'll do kind of warm-ups. I'll explain you. After that we'll start doing it. So now you're not doing it, you're just observing me because some of the exercise may be new for you. Just have to get used to it so that we get moving. Alright? Fine. So first one we'll do a dynamic chest press. See, the whole idea of the warm-up is all about, guys, I hope I'm audible and visible. Let me know if there's problem. Okay, am I audible and visible? If not, let me know. The sound is not coming, music is loud. We'll make sure that things are fine. Okay, just type it. Alright. So dynamic chest stretch. The dynamic chest stretch will do. While you spread your hands, make sure that you're lifting your toes as well. And you enjoy it. It's quite kind of gives oxygen to your lungs. Your blood starts flowing, you get energy and get ready for the main exercise. Next one is T-spine rotation. I will show you how it works. So lie down on the floor. On a plank position means not like your butt should be down if you're cooking up. It should be straight. Okay? Flat. Complete flat from your head to toe. Now from here, what I do is right? Alright. Third exercise is Ali Shuffle. So Ali Shuffle is named after Muhammad Ali. As quick I can walk through how it is. Ali Shuffle. If you're not comfortable Ali Shuffle, then you can do jogging, squat jog. Alright. Final warm up is jumping T's. Keep your legs shoulder width apart. You look like a T, right? You look like a T. How is that? Jumping T's. If you cannot jump fast, do a step T's. The step is moving from one side to other. Slowly, the beginner, first timer, please do like this. If you are already advanced, you can do jumping T's. Okay, is that cool, guys? Are you clear? Alright. So what I request, guys, all of you, I hope you got a flavor of the warm-up. I request you to share this on your timeline. Share this video on your timeline so that you can reach out to maximum people. If you're on Facebook, if you're on Instagram, please share this video on your timeline. I'll give you 30 seconds of time. And are you all clear with the warm-up? Also let me know. Anybody who's not clear with the warm-up. 30 seconds of time, 30-second break. Share this video in your timeline so that you can reach out to the maximum people who can get benefited out of these workouts. Because this being a pandemic time is very important for us to be fit, healthy, and yeah, we are taking care of ourselves. So start with, I'll be sharing my timeline right away, and that's done. It takes hardly 30 seconds. If your laptop, if your mobile, it will take 15 seconds. So easy. Please share this in your timeline. Alright, gang. So done. Who has shared in the timeline? Please confirm. Anybody is not able to share? Alright, Lakshmi has shared. Who else have shared? Okay. Alright, are you good, guys? So let's start with the warm-up. Make sure you do for 30 seconds minimum. Alright. Hello Nella, good morning. Okay, so let's start right now. Share this in the timeline. Now we'll start with the warm-up. 30 seconds on. 30 seconds we'll do all the warm-ups, right? 2 rounds of warm-up we'll do. Okay, let's start now. So first one is dynamic chest stretch. Let's start doing it. 30 seconds. Countdown starts. 30 seconds of warm up. 30 seconds, guys. Exciting day of workout on the chest and triceps. Making sure muscles are really coming up well and you are staying fit during this time. And count how many times you are doing it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, your hands should be straight, stretching it out, full range of motions. Alright, 20 times. I did 30 seconds, 20 times. Please type how many times are done. Please type how many times are completed. Please type number of times you are doing it. Great, Anjana. Good to see you. Yes, Uma, Nella. Please type how many times you have done it. How many times you have done it? 30 seconds. Is it completed? 22 times. That's great. How about others? Please type during 30 seconds how many times you did it. So you track it, track the progress. Next, we'll move to the next warm-up right now. All right. All right, please type how many times completed. 30 times, 30 seconds. That's great. Let's move to the next warm up right now. Next one is T-spine rotation. Lie flat in a plank position. If you're a beginner, knee down. You can do it, knee down. If you're already there, your palms will be below the chest, your shoulders, and 30 seconds. Now countdown starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Done. Okay. There are some people who are joining late because of link is not working for them. Okay, I sent the link to some of the people who could join now. Okay. How many times are done, guys? Please type. 23 times. Great, Anjali. Anjana Singh is 30 times. Wow. Sudha Prakash is 25. Awesome, guys. Type it out. How many times you are doing it? All of you. 15 times, Lakshmi. That's great. All right, 18 times Samaran. That's awesome, guys. Good. Hello, Nandita. Good morning. Just started the workout. Good to see you, Nandita. All right, guys. So let's move to the third warm up of the day. Next one is Ali Shuffle. Ali Shuffle 30 times, 30 seconds. Come on, get ready, gang. I know all are sleeping. All of you wake up. It's time to wake up and get ready. We have 10 seconds to go for Ali Shuffle. Let's get ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Oh. 30 seconds of Ali Shuffle. Count it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Done. 43 times Ali Shuffle. How about you guys? Come on, type. I want you guys to wake up. All of you are sleeping now. Come on, wake up, guys. How many times are completed? I want quick data. Ali Shuffle, how many times? Quick. 45 times. That's awesome, Lakshmi. Awesome. Someone in the 90 times. Oh my God. You are a superhuman. You should get some superhuman award. For 90 times is awesome. How about others? You're breaking all the records, man. Devas is 42. Awesome. Very good. How about in Insta, guys? What Insta guys are doing? I think Facebook guys are well ahead. I don't see much of in Insta right now. Okay, next. Who else are really catching up? Sasikala is 40 times. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. You guys are crazy. Come on. Ravindranath is 42. Wow. All right, now let's move to the last warm up of the day. Jumping take 30 seconds. Count 30 seconds now. Let's count how many times you're doing it. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Let me tell you, that was awesome feeling. Done with 30 seconds of jumping jack. I mean jumping tees. How many have done it? Please type how many times you have done it. All right. Jyoti Bhatt is 40 times. Awesome. Lakshmi is 40 times. That's good, Lakshmi. Very good. Excellent. Devas is 40 times. That's great. 46. So let's have a water break now. Next we'll start again the warm up. Next set of warm up, and we'll move to the main exercise. All right. Uma Peswa 40 times. That's good, Uma. Welcome to the club. Glad to know you. Glad to know you're doing great. Sudhir Patra is 40 times. Ravindranath is 40 times. That's great. Sasikala is 34 times. Great. So while you guys, let's start the next set of warm up right now. Already, gang. Come on. Okay, dynamic chest stretch, 30 seconds, start. Great oxygen to the lungs, and you can feel really stretching it out, getting ready for the main exercise. 8, 9, 10, stretch it out, full range of motions. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Done 30 seconds of dynamic arm stretch. Oh Anjana, your knee pain? Okay. Okay, please you can probably do a beginner version, little easier version of all the exercises. Dynamic chest stretch should not give you any difficulty, knee pain. Ali shuffle, yeah, you can just do small walk through, small walk, maybe not even jogging. Don't move too much, just do some kind of relaxation. Maybe you can watch today's program, Anjana, other than doing out things. It's good to probably kind of get ourselves fit first, healthy, and you can do workout. All right, Aditya is 40 times. How about others, guys? All right. How many times, guys, you're done? Please type. Jyoti Bhatt is 15 times. Great. Ravindranath is 24. By the Ravindranath is 70 years young, and he's excited about the workout. You can see the excitement he's bringing into the table right now. Lopamudra is 40 times. Lakshmi is 22 times. All right. Good, guys. So now let's move to the next warm-up. 30 seconds again. So give a round of applause for yourself for being there. T-spine rotation. Be on the plank position. Straight plank. Make sure that your body in a straight position. It's not lifting down or lifting up. Straight position. Now get in a plank. T-spine. 30 seconds, guys. Count how many times? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Done with the T rotation. Plank with the T rotation. Uma is 50 times. Great, Uma. Great. Awesome. Maya Moti, good morning. Maya, good to see you. Hello, Anjana. Good morning. 30. Hey, good. Making sure that not stressing yourself too much. Alright, gang. So let's move to the next warm up. We are close to 40 people right now, Instagram and Facebook together. Numbers are increasing so far. Alright. So now next we'll Ali Shuffle. Ali Shuffle will do 30 seconds. So we'll start in next 15 seconds. All of you get ready. Get back to your stations. 30 seconds of Ali Shuffle continuously. You have to count how many times you're doing it. Just getting ready now. Alright. Let's start. Ali Shuffle. $30, $40, $50. How many times, guys? Done. 46 times Ali Shuffle. How about you guys? Come on, type it. Type it out, guys. Hello, Babita. Good morning. All right. Anybody in Instagram, you want to go live along with me, you can join. In Facebook, you cannot do that. In Insta, you can go together live. I am fine with that. Anybody in Instagram is there who want to go live with me, I am okay. Alright, Jyoti is 35 times. Awesome, Jyoti. Welcome to the club, Jyoti. Yes, Dipen, you want to go live on Instagram along with me, send me a request. Devas is 55 times. Great. Samarendra, you are a superhuman. You are 94. You are not in this planet. You have come from different planet, looks like. Alright. Ravindranath is 44 times. Awesome, Ravindranath. That's awesome. Now next move to the next warm up with jumping T's. Again 30 seconds, let's count. We'll count in next 5 seconds. Get back to your stations right now. Alright, get ready. We'll do it now. Jumping T's. If you have knee pain, back pain, do a step knees. This step knee, not step knee, step T, and this is jumping T. Countdown has started, 30 seconds. $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, $30. Awesome! Awesome, gang. Come on. Please type it out. Okay, someone want to go live with me Insta? Alright. That's good. Anybody in Insta want to go live with me? You can go live. We can see each other. In Facebook, you cannot do that. Anyways, that's fine. Samandra, your camera has to be a little shifted. Your camera is not coming up well. It's showing to the wall. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. See, it's fun, guys. I don't know how to record it. It's awesome feeling. Alright. Alright, guys. Come on. It's fun. I like it. Alright. How about you guys? Please type how many times you're doing it. Yes, Samarendra, come. Don't. You cannot sit there. You cannot stand and look at me. Do workout. Ali Shuffle jumping T. Do it. Yes. Alright. Ravindra is 41. Aditya is 40. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's get it done. We are done with the, I guess, all the warm-ups right now. Move to the main exercise. Sudha is 30 times. Great. So now let me talk to you about the main exercise. Before that, let me tell you something. See, workout is a major component of your life, but it's not everything. Okay? To be fit, you also need to take care of your nutrition. You need to take care of your diet. You need to take care of your stress and your sleep as well. So any of you looking forward to any kind of transformation, you are looking for some nutrition, you are looking for stress management, we can also help you there. So we can help you in workout, we can also help you in other component of life. Alright guys, so definitely you can reach out to Fume and we can talk to you. Meanwhile, we'll start with the main exercise today. Let me explain you some of the basic main exercise. All of you, I hope have a chair or a bench with you. If you don't have, let me know. I don't have or I have. Please type it. I have a bench or I don't have a bench. Please type it out. See, I have a bench here. You can see it. Yeah, you are invisible. I know that. I mean, you can wear anything, do anything. Nobody knows. Okay. Insta link anybody wants? I can give you that. Somebody was asking me. But in Insta, you can't be invisible anymore. Alright. Somebody was asking for the Insta link. Insta, you have to maybe just send a link right now, just a sec. Yeah, we'll just move to the main exercise. I think Deepan, you can type the link, Insta link in the Facebook. Deepan is there. Deepan, please type the Insta link. Whoever want to join in Insta, they can join. You have a small chair. Alright. So Deepan will give you that. Meanwhile, let me explain the main exercise. What are the main exercises we're going to do today? And it's going to be fun. Okay? Alright. Okay, I give you the Insta link directly. I mean, just go there. I'll give you the link by the way. Yeah. So let's start guys. First one. Okay, there are 4 different exercises we'll do today. I am not putting the music now. People, I'm going to explain you. After that, get the music. First one, we'll do the staggered push-up. Staggered push-up is actually working on your triceps. See, today's workout is all about your chest and your triceps. So focus on your pec muscles, your deltoid circles, and also on the triceps. So first one, what we'll do is we'll do staggered push-up, which will be an aerobic exercise. It creates a lot of muscle mass, good for your strength, stability, core, your chest and triceps. Next, we'll do a tricep dips. For that, this is a good option. If you don't have also, okay, no problem. Third one we'll do is a close grip push-up. Okay, it's a great exercise to increase, on your triceps, activate your triceps, great for your chest. Fourth one we'll do is a tricep kick back. 4 exercise. Okay. So first one, let me explain you. Okay, you don't have bench, no problem. Okay, I can explain you how it will work. Okay. Alright gang, so let me explain you. Anybody in Insta want to show their video? You're welcome. Anybody in Insta want to show their video? You're welcome. The echo is coming. Alright. Please mute. Insta guys, please mute yourself. Noise is coming. Insta guys, please mute. Samarendra, please mute. Okay. So let's start with the first one. Staggered push-up. Am I audible guys? Yeah. Okay, let me first explain the first exercise, the staggered push-up. Let me explain how it is. So first thing we'll do is go to your place, be in a plank position. On plank, what you do is a normal push-up position. Your palms should be below your chest. Now one hand little ahead, another hand little behind. One is closer to the body, another is away from the body. Now from here, what you do is you do a push-up, staggered push-up. Look at me. Chest down and up. Chest down and up. Chest down and up. Okay? Now similarly what you need to do is one hand here, one little far, one hand little closer from here. Okay? Look at a couple of things. Try to make your chest touch the ground. Okay, no problem. It's good if you can make your chest touch the ground. It's always good. If not, that's fine. Okay? If you're new, it might not be easy for you. Sometimes you might miss out, but we can still work it out. Alright gang? Is it okay? First one is staggered push-up. works big time on your tricep, on your chest muscles. The one closer to your body works on your triceps. The one farther to the body, the hand I'm talking about, those work on your chest. Next we'll move to the tricep dips. So tricep dips I'll explain in 2 types. You can continue the way you want. First one is, get on the floor now and keep your legs straight. Now from here, keep your legs straight and keep moving up and down. You can also, this will give you more movements. The time you know, bend your knees, give more range of movements. This is something you can do. It works on your triceps big time. Now, if your bench is more fun because it gives you more wide range of motions. For example, let me show you. I may keep my legs straight. Now from here, oh, feels great, gang. Tricep dips. Actually, you feel great with this. Fine, guys. Are you good now? Tricep dips is fine. Now next, move to the next one, which is close grip push-up. Okay. Look at my hand. This looks like a diamond. Okay. Now, diamond. There's a diamond push-up also, but today we'll do only close grip push-up. Close grip push-up may be very close to it, not exactly diamond. It can be diamond push-up as well. Okay. The best part is, the farther from your body, he works on our whole body, whole pec muscles, deltoid muscles, everything, right? Once you get closer to your body, he works on your triceps, small group of muscles. That's like triceps, your inner chest and everything. So now we're going to work on that. So what you do now is, keep like this, close to your chest. Not here, not here. Okay, chest. Now what I do is, my fingers should be just below the chest. Make sure. Okay? Close grip. Not joining them. It's a close grip. Just not joining them. That's it. And if you are new, put your knee down. Otherwise, yeah, you are good to go. Now from here, what I do is, look at me, touching the ground and coming up. Touching the ground and coming up. And one more thing, don't put your hands like this. It will put a lot of pressure on your shoulders. Your hands should be, your elbows should be 45 degrees to the body. Okay? It's not easy. It's damn not easy, man. It's difficult. So that's why. If you find it difficult, what I suggest, find it difficult, join, you put it, do your knee down. Okay? Do it knee down. That means you don't have to keep your lift your knees, you can do it knee down. Okay? Now next one is tricep kick back. Okay? So no music now, we can experiment with this exercise. So tricep kick back, what you do is, okay, it's good again with a bench if you have. Or you can do standing also. Close to your body and kick back. You can do standing also if you don't have bench. Just little sit, little. So I don't need a bench to do also exercise also. I can do straight, complete body weight without anything. Okay, kick back. You can see your tricep muscles are bulging out. You feel the feeling. It's awesome feeling actually. How many are able to do that? Okay, tricep kick back. So these are the 4 exercises you'll do it. Are you good, guys? Anybody has a question? Anybody wants to be live on Facebook along with me? There's an option to be live together. Otherwise, you're good to go on Facebook. You see me only. I'm okay with everything. We just experimented. We are close to 45 people right now, both Facebook and Insta. So starting day, so obviously we are keep building it up. All right, are you good, guys? Are you clear about it? What I discussed? Should we start? We'll do 20 seconds, not 30 seconds. Because these push-ups are not easy push-ups. Till advanced variation, we'll do only 20 seconds. You find it difficult? In that case, put your knee down and do it. Okay? We'll do 20 seconds push-up and 20 second rest or 30 second rest. Rest is okay. But 20 second push-up, 20 seconds each of the exercises you have to do. Okay? 20 seconds. Remember? And count how many times you're doing it. Okay? So start with a staggered push-up right away. 10 seconds left one side, 10 seconds other side. Now we have 15 seconds to go and we'll start right away. Okay, guys? Let's now get back to a station. Now we're going to start in next 10 seconds. Come on, guys. Come on. Get ready. Don't sleep. It's a time to wake up and do workout and be fit. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Hands below the plank, below the shoulders. Little head below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the other side. 10 seconds again. 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 times total. 16 times actually. 16 times I did staggered push-up. How many have completed and how many times have completed? Please type. How many times completed? Staggered push-up. Please type. Please type how many times have completed. Staggered push-up. Hello, good morning Manali. Good morning Manali. We are just starting off the main workout. You came in the right time. Guys, I hope the music is fine. I'm audible. Subodh 6 times. Great Subodh. Ravindra is 18 times. 10 times. Uma, knee down. Yeah, knee down you can do it if you find it difficult. I know it's not easy workout, but you have to do it. 8 times bench. Maya, Biswajit. Okay. Raja is 8 times. Great Raja. 5 minutes. 5 minutes or 5 times. Okay. Now let's move to the next workout. Tricep dips. You can do on the ground. I'll show you on the ground right now. 30 seconds on ground. 20 seconds, sorry. 20 seconds. Let's count it right away. 20 seconds. Keep your legs together. I'll do on bench also. Your body should be parallel to the bench. Oh. 15 times. Feeling the stretch, gang. Knee down, yeah, knee down, you do it. Okay. Alright. How many times you done it? Tricep dips, please type. How many times tricep dip is done? Tricep dips, come on. Depend, where is the tricep dips? Are you doing or not? Use that bed, no? हाँ, bed को use करो. सब लोग कहाँ हो यार? Bed को use. If you don't have chair, use the bed. Sofa, I don't care. I don't care what you do with that. Just do. Yes, that's the right. Yes, I'm liking it. Yes, yes. Good, good. Keep doing. You keep your hands close to your body. Keep your palm close to your body. Yes, yes, yes. Go down. Yes. 16 times. Ravindra. Ravindra, you also go live. I want to see you. Okay, next one. Close grip push up. Close grip. Okay, very close. 30 seconds again. 30 seconds. Close grip push up. Chest, near to the chest. 30 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds, now power 30 seconds, yeah. Ooh. 10 times. Go down, depend, go down. Completely down, chest should, your hips should be down, depend. Your hips are off. Hip ko niche karo. Keep your butt down, otherwise do knee down. 5 times on the bench, normal 15, that's great. Knee down, do it, depend. Yes, 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 depend. That's right. Your butt has to be flat. Chest to butt should be flat. You are doing pike push-up actually, not diamond push-up. Alright, next is tricep kick back. Come on. Come on, gang, come on. Okay, you need a chair. Okay, you don't need a bench also, I can show you. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. I keep forgetting. 20 seconds. All of these exercises 20 seconds now because it's little advanced. I want you guys to do it easily. 11, 12, 13. Other hand. 10 seconds again. 11, okay. 20, 21, 22. 22 times. How many have done? Please type. How many times are doing it, guys? Please type. Knee down. Yep. Tricep kickback is done. One round is done now. Now move to again staggered. Who is ready? Please type how many times you guys doing. How many times you guys are doing? Is it good? All right. 10 times. Good, good, depend. Okay, let's start. Have a water break for 30 seconds. We have less time. We'll do one more round, that's it. Because today I want all of you should get used to the advanced workouts. All of you should get, 2 rounds we'll do today because many of you are new here and many people are little advanced workouts. I don't want you guys to tire. We'll try for 3rd round, but I'm not very, I don't want to push you guys too much. Okay, let's move to the, again, what we discussed, staggered push-up. See, understand the advanced form of workout is not easy. So I want, it's okay to learn and do it slowly, slowly. Okay? Let's get ready. Staggered push-up. Your palm are just below the shoulders. One above, one little ahead, one a little close to your body. Actually working on your tricep and also chest. This works on your tricep, this works on your chest. Now, go down. Make sure butt is down. I don't want to see the butt coming up. Keep your butt up. Okay? Now, go down. 20 seconds. Nine times I did it. Now what I do is, again normal push-up, normal plank position, one other hand, this is here. Now, from here what I do is, times, done, 16 times. Depend. What are you doing, man? Your chest has to go down, depend. Come on. I want to see you guys what you are doing with the whole workout. Some of you are, I think, messing it up, I believe. I want to see your pictures, your videos. Come on. See these guys. Depend. Put your chest down. And your butt also down. Why the butt is coming up? It looks like V shape. Alright. Next, move to the tricep dips. Oh no. Yeah, it's correct. 20 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn it, 7. Yeah. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Done. You want some good tricep muscles? It's a great exercise. Deepen, your butt should be still down. You are lifting your upper body. You should go on your triceps. Let me show you again, Deepen. This is a position I take, Deepen. From here, I don't move my upper body. Go flat and up. Your chest will not move. You are working on your triceps. Okay, Deepen? Alright. 15 times done. Oh yeah, come on. Next one, we are going to the close grip push-up. How many are ready for that? I see some girls doing push-ups. You guys can come in video. I mean, all of you can do it actually. Let's do that. Close grip push-up. Close grip push-up. Okay, the grip should be close to your chest. Okay, just below my chest. Now from here. Wow, awesome feeling, man. Four, 5, 6, 7, shit, 8. Oh my gosh. 8 times. Video is not coming. Why video is not coming? Very much coming, man. Hi, I should write hi. Please check it out. Can you not see my video in Insta? Anybody missing out? Who? Video is coming, man. Come on. Video is there. I can see my video. Anybody wants to go live with me, please come. Yeah. Anybody wants to come live in Insta, please come. Otherwise, they're good to go. Alright, next one. Get ready, gang. Now you have to send me a request, I can see you then. I can't see you, Unindra. Please send me a request. Meenakshi, you are there, right? Okay, your name is yes. So I sent a request. Alright, we are talking a lot. Meenakshi, you are there, right? Okay, you also want? Alright. Yeah. See guys, little bit talk is not bad. I know that. So I sent a request. 5. Okay, great. So let's move to the next one. What you did right now, I forgot. Tricep dips you did. Okay. What is the next workout, guys? Did we complete tricep dips? We did the yeah. Now the tricep push back, right? Let's get to this. All right. Tricep kick back. Come on. Let's do it. Give a kick back, man. Anybody gives a mess around with you? Give a kick back. Yeah, Sanandra. I can see it. 20 seconds. Sanandra. Other hand. All right. We start every day 7 o'clock. Except I forgot. Thursday and Monday. Hello Silpi, good morning. Alright gang. Are you done? How many times please type it? Please type how many times I will do it. Alright. So guys, we'll cool down now. I know it's quite not easy today. The workouts you did quite advanced. I hope someone will liked it. I can see you pumping hard, making it happen. Come on, Dad. That's good. Come on, maybe let's do it. A cool down now, right? Cool down. Thank God for everything. Show the gratitude for your God. Thank God for your great health. Thank God for giving me all the nature, good family, good life, good background, good parents. Thank God for the community. Thank God for blessing me with all the happiness in life. Please show gratitude to your God for giving all the happiness, all the fulfillment in life. That is what is life all about. Thank God for giving the fume to us and which can transform our lives. Okay? Now let's cool down, gang. Shoulder, cool down. Triceps. Just to make sure you are touching the right bones. Make it be just behind your head. Another thing when tries this one. Try to touch your fingers. It's a good stretch. Fingers. Great, gang. I hope all of you had a ball of a time. I'm sure all of you are enjoying the life right now and taking care of your health. Don't move around too much. Stay home. Stay happy. And see you again. With this, I'm done. Please type how many times you're doing it. Yes, Silpi, would like to see you from tomorrow. Would like to definitely see you. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock. Block your calendar. And guys, see you again in next workout. And with this, I'm done. See you again. Thanks a lot.